All right, Atticus, what we have?
I would like to call Robert E. Lee Yule to the stand.
Put your left hand on the book, sir, and your right hand in the air. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you Harper Lee?
Yes.
All right, Atticus, the floor is yours.
Mr. Yule, where were you at the night of that fateful crime?
Well, I was walking home from chopping woods out of the forest, and as I was walking through the gate, I heard a scream. So I went up to the house and I looked through the window, and I just saw him. He was raping my Mayella.
So, Mr. Yule, what happened next?
Well, I sped into the house, but he ran out before I could catch him.
So, you ran to the window, you ran to the door, you ran to Heck, you ran to Mayella, but did you ever run to get a doctor?
Well, no, but we already know who did it, so what did it matter?
But, Mr. Yule, did you not care for Mayella's well-being?
Well, yeah, but I mean, we already saw the definite signs, and I was already caring for her.
Mr. Robinson, can you catch this ball for me? Very good, Mr. Robinson. Now, can you please try to catch it with your left arm?
I can't, sir. My left hand got limp because it got cut in the cotton gin when I was younger.
Mr. Yule, can you write?
Well, yeah, but I don't see what that has to do with it.
Trust me, Your Honor. I know what I'm doing. May I borrow your pen and pad, please?
Here you go.
Now, Mr. Yule, for the jury, could you please sign your name right there?
Yeah. There.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, Mr. Yule is in fact left-handed.
Well, what does that have to do with anything? Tricky lawyers like you are always trying to take advantage of me. Who do you think you are?
Thank you, Mr. Yule. That will be all. But, ladies and gentlemen, may I remind you that Mrs. Yule's face was badly beaten, primarily on the right side of her face.
We will come back to you after this short break. Over the break, the conclusion arguments were heard and the jury has met.
Your Honor, the jury and I have reached a verdict of guilty.
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say?